This home is pretty as a picture, and we love absolutely everything about it. I'm Lindsay Morgan-Jacka with the Morgan team at RE/MAX AB, and welcome to 16 Gowrie Street West in Tillsonburg.